Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. If you guys are new here, my name is Karina, and today's video I am going to be talking about two handbags that I just picked up for spring, you guys. I usually put a lot of thoughts into the process of purchasing a handbag, so don't think that I'm just going out being crazy and splurging on designer handbags. It just happened so that that day it was like a super top, like extra points day on Nordstrom, and I'm like, I need to take advantage. And I had been eyeing these two bags, so I purchased both of them, and I wanted to do like a first impressions unboxing with you guys here. However, I am not 100% sure whether I should keep both, one of them, or even either of them. Like, it's both of them are pretty neutral, so it's like totally my vibe, and I don't have anything like them, or quite like them, I should say. And they were, I mean, they're priced really fairly, like under $2,000. And I don't know, I'm just like, I would love to hear your guys' opinions. None of them are like super new. Actually, maybe the YSL is. So it is a Chloe and a YSL handbag. And so let's do this. I'm excited. Okay, so the box is not glam at all, and because I didn't know what it was, because I've ordered a couple of things, I ended up kind of, you know, getting them out of the plastic bags and all, and then I'm like, I need to stop myself because I wanted to do this on video and just have that kind of like wow effect. And then the Chloe came like this. It does come with the dust bag, or yeah, the dust bag for both of them. But the Chloe, I did pull it out before I realized it was like, you know, I was meaning to do this as a surprise effect. So I'm telling you right now, I did take out the foam and protecting things, you guys. So, taking a deep breath here because this is so beautiful. My first impression was like, wow, it's a very true cream. It still has the little plastic ones, but it came with protective foam on the top handle, on the hardware. I love that it has mixed metals in here, you guys. That was the first thing that I've noticed. It's got the silver and the gold, which, if you guys know me, I like to mix in a tiny little bit of silver, which I don't have much right now. Even my rings are gone. So that was like my first impression on the bag, and then I'm like, I have to put it down, and I did. So I didn't go any further than just to kind of like glance at its beauty over here. I feel like first impressions, and let me get the name, the actual name of this bag, because this is the mini. I think it's the Tess, Mini Tess. Yeah, Mini Tess leather crossbody, and this is sweet beige, the color. The first things that came to mind is, first of all, love the mixed metals in here. Love that the hardware is just gorgeous up front. I love the size, you guys. It's you know, it says mini. However, to me, it fits more than a mini bag. It fits more than even a small bag. You know, I like my bags to be a little more compact for the most part, and I feel like this has room enough without being oversized, you know. I also love that it's a pebble leather, so it won't show scuffs and scratches that easily, but it does have the soft Italian leather around the edges of the bag, so it's just like really pretty. It has the Chloe stamp on the top handle as well as like up front. And then I love that the way to unbuckle this, you pull it down, the closure, you pull it up and down, and then you open. So there's a little pocket in here. This means it's not gonna be opening easily, or do you know what I mean? So I feel like a little more secure. And let's just see here. So it does have an internal pocket with the zipper in. You guys, I think it's beautiful. I wish, here I have my phone here just so you guys have an idea of sizes. This is like the max size. It's like the pretty big size of them all. It fits really nicely in here. It will fit my sunglasses, it will fit my wallet, it will fit, gosh, even more than that, maybe like like a wallet, lipstick, chapstick, pretty roomy if you ask me. Anyway, so back here is Suede, so beautiful. Love the hardware, even internally. It's just so beautifully made. And I wonder if it is made in Italy. It is made in Italy, you guys. So this one retails for about 1,600. I love the color, as I mentioned before. It's a little more compact, a little more, I don't know if it's sporty is what the word that I'm looking for, but less fancy probably than my YSL Sunset bag with the chain. I have had enough of the chain bags and I felt like I needed something with the strap, with the leather strap. This is like a thinner one. I feel like this bag is such a classic. It will be in style more, so it's not like super trendy, even though the color is more in the neutral trend. We are in a more neutral time right now as far as color palettes, but neutrals are always in style, right? Like they never ever go out of style. Like sometimes they're hotter, but definitely a bag like this I can see just being worn for years and years and years. Kind of wonder what you guys think. I can actually, you guys, no joke, picture myself in, I don't know, 10 outfits right off the bat wearing this baby. So cute. Oh, another thing I love about it, just thinking about it, is how you can wear it on your, as a top handle or as a crossbody. So more crossbody. We can just completely lose these. All right, moving on. Let's do the YSL. So this, what drew me to pick this particular bag is that it is reversible. So one side is a suede side and the other side is a leather side. So essentially you have two bags in one. And so the color is gorgeous. And I hope it's just as good as it was online live. Let me see the name of it. Okay, so this is the medium suede or Kate Suede Reversible. It's beautiful. So this one's got the chain all wrapped up. Okay, you guys, first impression, very 80s, or not 80s, 70s style, very classic. I can see myself wearing this as a clutch with the chain tucked inside. There's two major holes in here and I'm gonna try to figure out how we're gonna do this with the other side. However, it's quite roomy for a crossbody that's essentially like a clutch style. It's pretty big. I'd say more of a medium. I even think that my Sunset bag is not as wide as this, which it has more compartments and it's a leather and suede, but and how cool is this? How cool that it becomes a leather bag. So let's parts now. Let's go through parts. I'm going to go ahead and remove this thing here because I cannot stand it. Okay, do have the Sunset is a chain, has a chain in leather, and it's nice. The chain quality is really nice. The weight is beautiful, and I have not experienced any fading of it because, you know, we're touching it all the time. Okay. I really like it. Now let's see what happens if we reverse it, which, let me just give you guys an overview of the bag, the back of it. So the back does not have any pockets, right? It's just like this. No details, not much, just the logo in gold and the chain gold, and it's just gorgeous like terracotta cognac leather or suede. And then There's the T little chain in here that keeps it from, you know, going in. And to get it out, you just pass through the loop in here, through this little circle. And so I'm assuming that to reverse, you just basically pull it through. Comes with a little Laurent authentication card. And then this is, okay, does not look good without the chain. Looks kind of like floppy, you know, and like definitely is missing something. So I can see wearing as a clutch, but only with the chain tucked inside maybe. Let's try. So I'm looping through the top first and then the side. So all of the hardware has a logo in it, so it's like it's branded. So this is kind of what it looks like. The leather one. I don't like the leather, you guys. I don't love this leather part. It does have the Saint Laurent engraved in here, and it has the pocket, which essentially would have been the inside pocket if you are wearing the suede side. And then you have nothing in here for the suede. I love the suede, however, not in love with this. In fact, pardon my honesty, I feel like it looks like a fake. Like, you know, it just does not look like a luxe bag. Do you guys think that too, or is it just me? I mean, it just doesn't even look like leather. I don't know, maybe I'm just being too picky. I feel like I can see a tiny little bit of a scratch in here. I feel like with the smooth leather, this will be scratched quite easily. And with this being the interior of the bag, if I'm like, say, if I'm wearing the bag on the suede side, which is really the side that I love, this is gonna be trashed in no time, simply because this is where we're gonna be tossing our things, you know? So I'm not sure I love the concept. I'm wondering what you guys think. Okay, so that was it for my unboxing first impressions. You guys, I am dying to know which one of the bags you think I should keep, or if I should keep both of them, or if I should toss them, or not toss them, but return them. You guys probably know my pick, but I do love this. I do love the YSL. I think it's just a gorgeous, rich, you know, handbag. I'm just not thrilled with the inside, but if you guys like it, do let me know. I'm like interested and curious to see if it's just something that me, or if it's just not an attractive bag inside, or you know, how you guys like it. And for the Tess as well. So Kate or Tess, help me decide, you guys, and let me know if I should not keep any of them. I actually do have my eye on the Dior Bobby, which is something that it's actually the price of both of these. And by the way, I did sell to one of my readers here on YouTube the Dior Reversible in camel. I was doing the review on that, about the real and how I purchased that, and she was like so awesome. She reached out and said, hey, you know, are you interested in selling that and whatnot? And we had a conversation, and it was just so fun. So you guys feel free to always reach me on Instagram via DMs, or you can always email me if it's a personal matter. Feel free to reach out, and I'll try to get to all of you guys in a timely manner. And obviously always love this interaction. So do let me know which handbag you guys are loving and which one you think I should keep. And that's it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do leave me a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed this video. If you did not like the video, make sure you leave me a thumbs down, so that way I kind of know, you know, what you guys are thinking and what you guys want to see more of and less of and all of that good stuff. So I will see you next time. Um beijo. Tchau, tchau.